Hello everyone, and welcome to Vlinko's channel. In today's video, I will show you how to restore the default drive icon in Windows 11. And now, let's get started. To begin, open File Explorer, navigate to this PC, locate the drive icon whose icon you wish to restore. Right-click on the drive icon. From the context menu, select Show More Options. Then, choose Properties. Within the Properties window, go to the Customize tab. Under the Folder Picture section, you will find an option labeled Restore Default. Click on this Restore Default button. After that, click on Apply, and then OK to confirm the changes. This will reset the drive icon back to its original default appearance. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.